Good evening, afternoon, good day. We are out here straightening up a crooked car.
The mailman's mess.
Yeah. I was gonna say that, but
Y'all
I'll
just
let
saw the mailman's mess.
We're back the next morning. Fleming and me, we just took the car off the trailer. Oh, the 13th's pretty banged up. We just took it off the trailer. Looks like the rim's broken, the tires are all bent up, but it still rolls. Here's Fleming over here chatting it up. Fleming, tell him what's going on. I already described what's going on. The tire and the back, showed them.
Change this tire. We might be able to save the tire.
The rim's trashed.
Wait,
it's broken.
I think this is the tire that I bought. No, it's not. Anyway, we're gonna see what we can do. No, there's the one I bought. We gotta find that one. Yeah, we're gonna start. As you can see, right here, pretty bad hit.
Yep.
Very hard hit.
You'll see.
You know
in
what
the...
that means? Time to get the old redneck straightening machine out again.
And a couple of trees.
We're gonna pull all this off and try to see. So, Tanya, make sure you show them a good look around, because when I'm done with it, it's gonna look good. I hope.
Yeah, like he said, Dad rolled up that wall. Y'all see in the footage we got. So the rest of it looks pretty good. We got to get it ready for the next race, even though we're almost out of the season. Dad had to put, or the mailman had to put tape on it because that's broken off. So we got to fix up here too, or get some new tape. Whatever Skylar prefers, I'm sure they'll fix it right. It's got to look professional. But yep, there it is, guys. There's the 13 afterwards. I think the 00 is still in the trailer. I'm gonna make y'all throw up. Grayson's gonna lose all the lug nuts. Thank you. Oh, dropped one, Daddy. Yep, he's helping you. Ugh. Oh, he's.
Mommy.
What, babe?
It's your train, please.
Yeah, honey, it's right there in the van. No, go put those up. We're going home right now. No, we're going home. Daddy just had to put the tire on. Oh, it almost hit me in the face. I was going to try to pick it up, but it's a lot heavier than it looks. All right, guys. Next time we'll see you, we'll be in the shop tearing it apart.
All right, we got our towel set up. Grayson, you fix that other side? Hey, did you fix the other side? Yeah, get back on over there.
Can't forget a man's tool.
So we're gonna try to see if we can see what's actually broke under here. So y'all bear with us. Let's get into it. Alright guys, this is where we're at now. Trying to figure out which I can wait until Skylar and them get here to really find out. This spins well, but I'm not sure if this stuff is bent. Sorry. It doesn't look like it. I do notice, I don't know if you can see that, it can move. It's got It's got some adjustment. Anyway, you can see that that's at an angle. But so is the other one. Old K9's showing up now. So I'm gonna talk it over with K9 here. We're gonna see if we need to take this off and see if we have, deeper problems here. There he is, K9. You still a little
Morning.
high from last night?
Afternoon,
Excited?
good day, whatever it is.
Tell us real quick what you think of the situation here. What are you thinking?
Well, this is a new
I'm on the wrong side.
a new impact zone for us. The last 2 times we've had to fix it, it's been in the front.
I was just telling Josh that.
So
This looks pretty rough.
the right side the wheel looked crooked when we had it all together, but we're not seeing anything that's popping out at us like, hey, here I am,
Fix me.
fix me, hit me with a hammer. and
Well,
strike me.
that is.
Well,
that's
obviously,
all
this is
popping.
obvious, but,
It ain't popping in. It's popping. Out. It's popping in. I guess we're gonna start
we're gonna
measuring stuff.
probably measure some stuff and see what's out and if anything's out. We might just have to adjust that. There's a bolt for adjustment there.
That
It
was
might have,
that was loose. So,
Might have got out of whack when he hit. So
all right. Well, let's get to it. I told him we got the old redneck frame machine coming probably shortly.
yeah,
I don't know if he can get all that, but we'll try. All right, let's get into it. Come out to the graveyard here. Well, we got cars just waiting. This will be I like them tires. There's the old. Yeah. So we might end up, we're gonna need this. We need all 3 of those rims. Take that with us. So what you think? We got what we need, huh?
yeah.
Hopefully that's all it ends up being. I think we're going to end up needing to take all 3 of these rims because we already have the front right one. And yep, we got the other 3. So we're out here at the Mailman's runway. I don't know if y'all have ever seen that before. Well, it starts down there and comes all the way down to his hangar. So we're gonna load up and head back. I guess we might need one of these rear bumpers. We're gonna try to make that other one work, huh? Maybe he'll do that next year. So let's go. K9, what's the issue here?
Oh, we
Tell-
got the new.
Tell them what. Cut. Tell them what we did, then what we found out.
We got the new spindle
I'm just gonna show my call.
because
Yep.
I don't know if you can see it on the video, but this gap here, you can see it's bent. And if I do the same thing on this one, which we just went and got,
Yeah, let me get on this side.
I can stick my hand in there pretty easily.
All right. But then what happened?
Then we got it, and I don't know if you can tell, but it's bent now into the car.
All right, and
So
I'll
looking
show
at
them what we saw. What is that called?
sway bar.
The sway bar lined up to where the bottom of the shock is there, and where it's lined up there, which told us what?
More than likely, the whole bottom end is bent.
Yeah, so that was a hard hit. Which
Pretty good hard hit.
that don't tell you.
Come
Let
on.
me give you.
That lower control.
Olivia, you can
Yep.
do it.
If that don't tell you that it was a hard hit,
Come on,
I don't know what
Olivia,
will.
you can sleep like
so
that. Come on.
back to the junkyard. All right, here we go. Let's go.
Back to the same way.
right, K9, where are we at now? Other than the fact we're missing everything, it seems like.
We got this lower control arm off, and actually, let's put it next to the one we're gonna put on.
Excuse me, Anna.
Right in my race.
Yep. Let us get it situated here. That's a little different, it seems like. All right, mailman, what you think?
Y'all did a good job.
That was a rough hit from.
Looking at this side, it looks like it's the same way as that side. Looks like.
Hey, you didn't hit the wall too hard, did you?
This looks like it's going that way.
Yeah, so does that one.
You didn't hit. You didn't hit too hard, did you?
Yeah, I'm still hurt.
Uh.
It does.
You trying to flare? Hey, these are the fender flares, not back here.
Oh no.
All right, everybody. We've sorry we didn't video the end, but it got dark on us. We ended up changing. Hold up. You got the. Yeah, y'all can both go down. Here we go. Dropping it. Let's see. And the back is still smashed. Did you have any problems with your front end?
Well, I want to check it because when I turned, I don't know if it was this.
It was that. Because I almost hit the
When
roller.
I turned, it seemed like the steering wheel was doing nothing. I've never felt that helpless in a car.
That's what happened to
When
me.
I turned, it went. It didn't respond.
Felt like
So
the tires
I went
were
back
just.
the other way, and it didn't respond.
Felt like the tires were just straightening on their own as you were coming around. That's what I felt.
I never thought this was broke. I thought something in the steering broke
Yeah.
because it just took off by itself.
All right. Well, we still have yet. Oh, Scout almost got that fixed. We'll check the front end out and then we're gonna take it for a drive. Good job, K9. We might take it for a drive now first. So, and there's 00 waiting its turn to come in because it was acting a little funny. Not like funny, like wasn't fast or driving good. I can see our wires are hanging. Oh, that's our chain. Still got a lot of work. I know some of y'all recognize that purple strap mailman's holding and all that. So, K9 was talking.
Go right here.
You don't think these poles will hold?
Well, if you wrap this around my door, you're gonna crush my door.
No, he can't.
Yeah, the poles are.
Nah, we're gonna go to those over there probably, but
that ain't going nowhere.
that's what I told him. Ain't it
That
like?
ain't going nowhere.
Ain't it
It's
like
7 foot in the ground.
7 foot? All right. Well, we're gonna take it for a test ride. It's a little dark. I understand. Turning's good. She ain't out for long, boys. She ain't out for long. Y'all just saw we took it for a test drive. It did good, and then we were gonna come in here. We did end up. We tried some over there. We didn't have the phone, but we did end up hooking it up, and we got. Oh, boom! There we go. We've got a little system here, and hooked way to the other pole over there. That one's not hooked, but it's straightened out significantly. It's a little. We've heated it. How you feeling there, K9? Y'all gonna break my whole life. Where do you think we're at? You can still tell. You can still tell that the right side is a little higher. We're gonna get a measurement here. And we are 5 inches off. Goes.
2 inches
We're 2 inches off.
instead of 7.
So we are gonna finish. I think y'all are about to try a little more pulling. Yes or no?
No.
No? So this is just I gotta go in there and do something with him and them. Kevin has to probably be there too. So that sits back on top, and if I cover like this, look how that looks like a race car again. Let's just see if we can hide all this like a good old mate. That would work right there. So,
And this is
What's that
sticking
look
out
like
too far.
what's that look like from back there?
This is sticking out too far.
What
So
is?
It needs to go that way a little more.
The bumper?
The whole car.
But once it looked like starting to get back, it didn't look
Yeah, it looks
like
good.
a tuna can, huh?
It definitely looks better.
It needs to come out like that. So with some new sheet metal, this is where our new muffler is going to come out of.
Old 12-inch pipe, right?
Oh yeah.
It's still 2 inches high.
This side is?
Yeah.
So let me ask you this.
Yeah, what
Can
was
you
that?
tell that the bumper's crooked?
Yes.
All right, what about now?
Oh,
If I drop it 2 inches.
yeah, it's still
Just a
needs to come
smidge,
back.
yeah.
Hold up.
But it is
Right
gonna
there.
come up here.
That's straight. This
We
side
still-
right here is
we
not
still
but
got some work to do.
Quarter of an
Okay,
inch
now
higher,
we got
so
some work to do. Look at them pretty eyes. Uh-oh. They must be after pop.
tomorrow or Thursday we'll put some more heat on it, and then we're gonna just pot rivet everything back on. Put some more heat Thursday. I can't work tomorrow night.
That's what the problem is. There ain't no need to have all that.
Back here.
We will see y'all the next day, or the next time we work on it. So that's where we're at so far. We do have another race coming up, and that Skyland plans on. Look at that. That's how I fill my driveway. Here, put that out there. That was good. That was good. So we will.
If we can get some more heat right there.
I guess the mailman will learn you got to pull the tail for sure. So, all right, let's get back to it, huh?
Y'all did it, didn't you?
Yeah, it'll be all right.
Who did it? You or Kevin?
K9 pretty much fixed it up. But,
All right, guys, y'all check
we
this
didn't,
out.
We didn't replace the metal. We just, because we're at the end, kind of, ain't we?
Yeah, look, y'all look at this.
K9 covered the hole, and he let y'all know who did that.
Kevin is hilarious. U.S. mail.
US mailman there.
But look how good this rear end looks, y'all.
We ended up having issues. I don't know if we've shown this, and we can fix where I cut through to get the chain.
Still
But from
crinkled a
here
little bit.
forward, nothing. We've measured 100 times over. Nothing was changed. It was a very hard hit.
Very hard hit.
I know. I don't know if I think that's the hardest.
Most of it's all pulled back out. Y'all haven't had no experience doing the rears. You've been only fixing the fronts, like Kevin
I can tell you
said.
this whole 13 been through some stuff.
She's been through some stuff. But look how good of a job,
We'll
y'all.
replace the bumper and the metal next year.
Let
We're
me
not
show them
gonna-
this. Step over here. Look how good of a job that thing looks compared to the
Maybe
beginning of
start
this
with a
video.
Before and after photo.
They did jam up. Everything's brand new on the right rear. All this is done. So now we just have to take the tires and get them swapped out. And y'all look who's here. Oh, what are you doing here, buddy?
Oh, I'm just here for the weekend.
Here for the weekend. What are you going to do for the first time?
I'm going to go to the dirt track. with
Going to
y'all.
the dirt track. That's where we're headed. So
We might have to put them.
we're going to put him in a car. Yeah, on hot lap. See what he wants to do. But I'm very... I know. I'm very proud of Austin and Kevin and Dad. I did not do one single thing to this car to repair it.
You didn't wreck it.
Well, I know I didn't wreck it, but I've been working 11 straight day shifts, 12-hour shifts, so I was not able to help them with this. So I'm very thankful that they jumped out here and knocked this out because I wasn't able to be here, and that's what means. Hey, do you mind? Like Austin did to K9. I said, do you mind? But we're done. That's it. We're going to get it squared away, get everything loaded up, and we are headed back to Deep South Speedway and testing our luck again. This is the next week, and I'm going to be in the car, and Austin will be in his. This is the last winner of the race, so I'll be chasing him. He's got everything done, right?
What's that? Hunt the front and chasing the checkers. Skylar's gonna be out there trying to find the flag.
That's right. Finding the flag. Thank y'all so much for watching. We got everything ready. We're going to reset and head to the track. We'll catch y'all guys in the next video. God, please.